Hey guys, good afternoon, evening, good morning, whenever it is where you're at. Got another little tip. I'm working in, I'm going to flip it around this time in my spark plug video. I didn't notice this until later on. Because I was coming this way, everything was backwards. So it looks like I was on 2 and 4 on the Continental, but it was actually 1 and 3. So to clarify there, and I'll fix that somehow. Maybe I'll do another video. Anyway, doing an oil change on the Cessna 150. Her nickname is Carol. Long story on that, but just real quick, it was owned by a friend's mother-in-law, and she died a couple years ago, and we just nicknamed the airplane Carol since that was her name. So anyway, let me show you what I'm doing here. I'm going to flip it around. So we're timing. So I got my timing box right here. And on Lycomings, you either have the choice of going to the back of the ring gear or the front side. But with the front side on this airplane, we can't do that because that spinner's covering up the timing marks. So we have to go on the back. So this is what I did. I rigged up this little laser guy. Bought this, it's a flashlight and a laser pointer from Snap-on. It was one of those gimme things. And I was like, oh, this is pretty cool because the laser is right in the center of this split. So if you look, I got this rigged up with a piece of T-angle, and I bolted it onto the case, and then I shimmed it out with a couple paint sticks to get it so it's perfect on here. So that laser is right in the center of that split line. Otherwise it's really hard. You have to take like a straight edge or something and go there, and it's kind of a pain, and it's never perfect. So I got my box on here. See my two lights? Let's check this out. I already timed the mags, but with that little laser pointer, boom, 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 right there, right on 25. So that works perfect. Don't forget to turn the mags off. So anyway, tip for the day. If you have, let me turn this off. If you have something that you're doing like that, or RVs are kind of a pain because they have like a little shroud behind there. So you could actually probably cut a hole in the shroud if you own an RV, and then rig something up similar to this so it points the laser through the back to the back of the ring gear, and then you can get spot on every time. So anyway, we'll see you later. Thanks for watching.